Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It usually depends on the place you're watching me from. My good name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new here, please subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. Rate my outfit today. I rocked in. Very nice. Huh? I look like a big boss. The village big boss, the village boss, or the village buga. We always say so. Hey, please subscribe, show some love, like, share, and leave us a comment. On today's video, I'm shooting this video all the way, far away from home, and this is my new home. I'll definitely give you a quick tour, give you a very quick tour, but not now. And also I'll let you know where I am today and why I am here, and of course why we left the village, of course. And also it will be a very great reunion, with someone special. Sometimes we go up, down, up, down, up, down, but things goes on well. So ensure subscribe if you're new, like, share, and leave us a comment. Man, I would definitely love to see you working with me, working with everyone, seeing what's going on, commenting down below, and we'll just like to grow together. Remember, we're on the road to 30k subscribers, but the main aim is 100k. The moment we knock at 100k, we will start a very big boom. To be honest, no lie, no corner, So I want to share with you, and this journey will be very long, and also will be very amazing to share with you. I'll be taking you around to town, so that you can see an amazing, great city. Though I never wanted to share with you the last 2 days because things were very busy, up and down, and of course it's part of life. Are you ready? Yeah, buddy. Stop eating this, Maria. Yeah, she's doing something. Yeah, buddy. Are you ready for this? So today it's a big surprise for the mom of the house. She's back. She's back.
She's back. Like she never left.
Back. Yeah, buddy. Tata means daddy. Dada. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, long time.
I know.
You look the way you look.
I know. I look the way I want.
You look the way you look.
I look the way I look.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning to you.
How are you?
I'm okay. Where have you been? All this while.
You lost.
You lost me.
You lost.
You didn't find me.
Thank God we came in Nairobi. Now I got you. I got you.
He got me. Guys, hello. My name is Min Hawi, or the Cooking Village Wife. We post videos there. Kindly go check them out. Yeah, so today we are in Nairobi. I was in Mombasa previously, but currently I am in Nairobi. Hi Maria, I am in Nairobi, and yours truly.
Kate is here. Look, Maria. Kate.
Kate. So yours truly came to pick us up. You know, he has to pick us up. Sometimes you don't need to struggle, because the last time we went with the bus. Guys, you saw the video, and it was tiresome. So this time we're like, no, let's use the SGR, and then my husband here will come and pick us up from Nairobi. So, and it has been amazing, very nice, and we are so grateful. Thank you. You know, to Maria is throwing tantrums.
Maria started his tight tricks.
Yeah. So we are truly grateful. And we are at a very, very, very special place. Someone who really loves us and cares for us. She was like, please don't go to the village without coming to my place. So we were like, she's been like there for us, like calling, always following up, and we decided to come and say hi to her, and then head back home. So guys, thank you so much, and we are blessed and happy to have you around.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Guys, we were to travel yesterday in the evening at night. And she was like, oh no, please.
Yeah.
And also she will accompany us to Nyabuhanse. Please show some love, like and share. And she was like, don't travel at night, let us go in the morning.
Let us go to the morning.
Yeah, in the morning. So it's okay. Hey Maria.
Maria is like,
yeah, which is very much. And sometimes when 2 or 3 people tells you don't go. Sometimes when you make your head tough, when you go there, you meet what you wanted. But when you feel better, when they tell you and you listen, It's better. It's not like sometimes you go there and some people will be saying, nice, I told her not to go, I told them not to go, but they never listen. So the good thing is, and also it has been a long journey. Like sometimes when we come here, we always pass by. We're like, I've seen you guys in Nairobi for several times. And
you guys, like, I'd want to see you guys, please.
For sure, please.
Yeah.
So she's here. Yeah. And also she's a content creator.
She's also a content creator.
Yeah, guys, so you'll definitely see her and she'll speak for herself.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to just say her name here without her being here. And also, and most importantly, yesterday she prepared a very nice food. So it was maybe it's just reaching and then going. But when reaching here, it was shock. We were shocked. We found out really she has prepared chicken, rice,
and we did that video. If you go to my community post, you'll be able to see the live stream when she was cooking.
That's absolutely.
We'll put on shoes, Maria.
That's Maria with her.
Put on shoes.
Alright, guys. So the owner of the house, she's here, and she wanna let her introduce herself. Hey, good morning.
Good morning, CJ.
Introduce yourself here.
So guys, welcome to CJ's YouTube channel.
Yes.
This is Missy J-Lo from Nairobi, Kenya. Kenya is in Africa. Yeah, and yesterday they paid me a surprise visit. Yeah, I'm so happy with that beautiful sweetheart, Min Awi. Yeah, so guys, welcome to today's vlog. It's going to be so amazing. They arrived yesterday a bit late, and now we are here. Yeah, so just watch the video till the end. We have just started.
Absolutely, because we promised you. You know, we were to leave yesterday the same time around 10. No, it's 10. No, so around 5 p.m.
Sure.
But we were like, no, we have, because you told us in the morning, and we were like, I respect that.
Sure.
And also, yeah. So we are very happy, and thank you so much for you hosting us. Yesterday night food was damito, and also I slept like a baby yesterday.
like a king.
Like a king, you know, very nice. So having breakfast right now.
Yeah, I want to toast this bread. I've already prepared white chocolate. We're going to take white chocolate and then I'll throw this bread. Then my daughter is preparing fruits there. And we also have these dinners.
Oh, come on.
We have also these ones. Yeah. And fried eggs and boiled eggs.
Alright.
Yeah.
Guys, please check her out at
Miss J-Lo.
Miss J-Lo. Actually, you can check it down below the description point, and also at the post. I posted yesterday. She was cooking. You can literally check out her live so that we can boost the watch hours, and all will be well. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Let me see you on the table now.
Sure.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let me throw this.
Okay. Guys, do you see this? Oh my God. This is bread, toasted bread. Come on, Maria, stop. Maria. So already started with my eye.
Egg.
Yeah, you love eggs, right?
I love eggs, of course.
Okay, have a bite. Nice. And this is what you see. Maria, stop. You have one. Maria already has bread here, and she needs one to take another one. Come on. Stop it.
Put her down. Maybe she wants to walk.
So over here we have toasted bread. Right here we have eggs. On the other side we have bananas, ripe bananas. You can put up the soda if you like. There's tomatoes here. Oh my God. This is like you mix it on top of this and then you continue with it. Oh yeah. I'm definitely learning. Are you learning?
I'm learning.
Pole.
Pole.
And we have milk tea or tea with milk. Please show some love to her. Yeah.
So guys, please subscribe to Missy J-Lo YouTube channel. And when you're in Nairobi, please purpose to pay me a visit. I'm in Nairobi, a place called Great Gardens at the river. Okay. Yeah, just continue watching the video and subscribe to Claude Joseph CJ channel.
Thank you.
Also subscribe to Minnie Harry.
Absolutely. Thank you for sure. Yeah, so let's have this. Let's see. So guys, we are leaving. As you see this space, you know that Junior was staying here.
When?
When he was in Nairobi.
Oh.
Yeah. So guys, we are around here, and as you can see, sometimes if you forget your car, you might forget where you parked it. So it's our new journey to the village. Let's check on what's going on around. Yeah, I'll definitely one day automate this car when we are there. So let's press it. Don't mind my car. There's something here, I don't know what is it. Just like that. The door is open. Full tank. The rest is okay. You know, have to be this way. You know, driving today will be seeing us on those flyovers of Nairobi City as we are heading back home. Pole pole. And as you see, just rocked in this shuttle way all the way from USA, America, the muy Americano. It's amazing, man. You have no idea. Have this for me. I showed them my
Outfit of the day.
Tell me.
Hey.
Good, muy bien. It's called beige, right? Beige or jungle blue?
Beige. This, I don't know. That's a beige. Beige is like that wall.
Big brand. Look. Big brand. CJ. You know, nice, amazingly. Thank you so much, guys. Let's now move to the city as we head back to the village. You know, this is how people stay in the city. Look, neighborhood, man. Everyone here drives. You know, this is what we can bring it in the Bohanse now. All right, guys. Is it 1 or 2? Should be at 1.
It shows at 1.
Okay. So guys, we are at a place known as Expressway. This one is the one that whenever you drive on this, you avoid traffic jam completely.
Yeah.
So this one, like, you have to pay for it because it's not yet fully paid by the government. So you pay it so that at least the money goes to the Chinese company that built it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll definitely show you how we are, and as we will be lucky, we'll be able to see the view of the city from up. So this one is a high, how can we say, high word.
It's a toll free.
Yeah. So this one, if you are maybe living down there in Kitengela or in Azriva, and you want to go to the CBD or to the, maybe you are working at the CBD, here you go very fast. Very fast. That's Syokimau. But this one here goes direct. Sometimes you see a car passing you and you are at 120, you feel like, at what speed does he ride with? That's how it is. Today we are driving with Miss J-Lo.
Yeah.
From this end to the village. Let me see how it's going on. take you, you find more previous people.
We need to have more roads like this.
Yeah.
Like especially going to Mombasa.
Most definitely.
You know.
Yeah. Maybe the trucks should be given.
Maybe for the trucks or the just small cars.
Yeah. The trucks should have their own roads.
So that's the airport side, guys. On the right side is the airport.
Yeah.
You can see JKIA branching the toll.
Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. So from here you start seeing the city. You know. Heading to James Gishu straight, right?
Yeah, straight, no branching.
No branching. We'll proceed. Conjoining. Kuna zile mambo zilikuwa hapa zilitolewa zote.
Si ndio hizo?
Zilikauka. See on the road, we have red flowers all along. Because of DX.
Yeah.
Na mambo mbaya. Kuna lana mbele kumbe.
So guys, you can see the site of our skyscrapers
Yes.
starting to appear. Yeah, our beautiful city that we are so proud of. There's no city like this in the whole world.
The city under the sun.
The city under the sun,
Yes.
surrounded by our game parks, safari trips.
It's the only city in the world that has a national park.
That has a park, you know, surrounding it. We are surrounded by lions,
Yeah.
elephants, zebras,
Giraffes.
and everything, antelopes.
Yeah. The ecosystem is
Oh,
playing
how
well.
we love our city.
Yeah.
How we love it. We love our country. Even with its bad leadership, we still love it and enjoy it. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, we wouldn't trade it for anything else. Yeah? Oh, look, guys.
Hata huko juu kuna kuanga na jam.
Probably gari imeharibika, something.
There's a breakdown, right?
There's a breakdown, I think. Yeah, it's very rare for us to have jam here.
Well, for a stop. That's
So guys, looks like there's an accident or something. Eh?
say stori zake za ufala. For now it's misty because it's the morning.
Yeah, it's around 9 right now.
Poleni haki.
It's okay.
Poleni.
That is Nyayo Stadium, guys. It's a national stadium where games take place at any time of the day or night. Well,
left kutoka like here, right? Na hii baada ya kugawa straight kwenye iko juu. area of Westlands.
Yeah, Westlands.
Okay. Westlands. Mazare. Mazda. Pakin. As we are proceeding.
Haina shina haraka.
So guys, here is where you just do what you call it. You have the MTC, monitoring, and then you have the ETC. So we just let's do this. See how things are going on. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So guys, we are on the Muru Road, but now we are heading to the climbing lane, and not the climbing lane, the great escarpments of Rift Valley. You know, Mahi.
Fresh water.
Mahi. You know, the fresh water that oozes from the escarpments of the great Rift Valley
Yeah.
downwards to the Enkare Nairobi, the Enkare Masairan. Like, Enkare means clean.
Yeah.
So that's why you see alongside this area, it has every evergreen plants, which means the climate here is more favorable. Very great, you know.
That's
So
true.
around here we have this forest. I don't know if it's a government forest.
I've never known, but it looks like it.
It looks like a
Or companies, because like companies like Tip Sales, the one that sells normally timber,
yes, papers.
normally have planted these things.
But this one has been here since olden days, you know.
Yeah, it's
You know-
Tip Sales.
You can show them this kind of trees, you know,
Yeah.
there are cypresses and pine. You know, for you to see a cypress grown this tall, which means that it has
Been
been
forever.
there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. For
And
long.
there's a lot of ancestors that are in there.
Ancestors again.
Yes, you meet them on the road here sometimes when you walk.
Oh, really?
The baboons.
Oh,
Yes.
our relatives.
Yes. There are a lot.
Ah.
A lot on the road.
Yeah, so guys, we're heading back home to the village. We came to be picked and we are here. Of course, we are accompanied by our... Ooh, guys, you can see it. Look at the hill up there. I don't know how this road was constructed, sorry, but it is beautiful. I wish it was finished. It looks like South Africa. We have something like this in South Africa.
Yeah.
So I wish the roads would have
The other
been
side of
better.
Cape Town.
Yeah, in Cape Town. You see now, that's an escarpment. You know, the valleys, the Great Rift Valley. If you've ever if you did geography in Africa, there's a time, I think it was partitioned. There was an earthquake, a serious earthquake, according to how I was told. And then now, and then the volcano, it was an eruption that was trying to divide the ground, and it starts from, I think, Ethiopia all the way to
Valley.
sorry.
Valley.
Yeah.
Valley in Ethiopia.
Yeah,
Downwards.
it started from there. I don't know how long it is, but those are just stories, you know. So
This is due to tectonic forces, the compression and extension of the forces.
hey, tourists, in case you come, those are sites that you stand to see. Yeah, those are tourist cars.
In case you need to see.
In case you need to stop and see.
And she have posters.
No, when you're walking, it doesn't look like any big deal. When you're walking, it's normal. Yeah.
Rock clean.
So
this is one
this
of the blind spots, guys.
yeah, when you're here,
Also
you
one
really
of the most worst roads from Salgan. This is the first, and then Salgan.
yeah. I can't do something like this. The guy overtaking, no.
This one, sometimes you have to.
Yeah, but then now it's on the corner. You see, there's a car coming.
Yeah.
So, what's the point?
That's Moran view. Also, these are skins, hides and skins.
I wish the government could invest.
Yeah. So, and also one great thing is it has acted as one of the greatest world heritage that has really preserved a lot of different species of animals, birds and trees. You know, number one, you see we have some indigenous trees that create very nice and great flowers.
Look at this one, especially this
The
one
pink
here. Yeah,
Pink
that's.
and purples. So that one is very rare for you to get it in other places. So there's a lot of indigenous trees in here. We have baboons.
But yeah. Oh, I think we're going to get baboons along the way and feed them as well.
Yeah. And this one is not only here, it goes all the way downwards to along Olentulele there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Olentulele. You see how the flowers are.
The whole forest is like flowery.
Sometimes when you come when it's too rainy, this guy.
This one, you see?
It's crazy. I don't know why he's running.
The driver's here, I don't know.
Sometimes even if you have done what you call like
You're very
defensive
careful.
driving, you're not supposed to just drive recklessly. You're not supposed to do so. But it's an amazing journey. This is a journey or a trip anyway.
Let's call it a road trip.
Whichever, as long as we are moving. Look at those flowers, man. Nice.
My country, Kenya.
Country people. Well,
Our country people.
things are just going up and
Guys, I don't know whether that aeroplane, it has a problem or something. What do you call a craft? An aircraft just landed there.
We arrived at a place, but we are now entering Naro. Already they are selling maize. These are fresh maize from the farm. This has really reminded me about my farm. So starting from today, when I arrive home, maybe tomorrow, I'll be doing a campfire up to midnight. Burning maize, roasting maize like this with coffee, making some stories, and also going live, you know. Also ready. It's already becoming a home, you know. And as you can see, the acacia trees. Show them the acacia trees. I think I can plant one of the acacia trees at that place of ours. But I can create a very nice shade. What do you think, babe?
Yeah.
An acacia tree, like just one.
Hopefully it grows.
Yeah.
I think we can try that.
Because the moment you have it over there, it's just an amazing
Can you close this side?
shade.
Yeah.
It creates an amazing shade. Are you enjoying the trip?
Oh yeah.
The road trip?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi, lonely baboon. Guys, this place is infested with baboons. If you dare come here with bananas, you'll regret the day. They will come and pick the bananas themselves from your car. There's a person who normally buys baboons with the car and buys bananas in the car, puts them in the truck, yeah, and then feeds them.
Is an Indian?
Of course, yeah.
We are approaching Narok already. We are in Narok town.
Yep.
So when I came with the motorbike, I stopped somewhere here, do some service, continue with the journey to Mombasa.
You're crazy, you know that?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Very good.
I'm from a crazy family.
Aria.
My dad used to be a border guy with the bicycles. Did you see the bicycles?
I think you need to carry me on that bicycle.
So the bicycle.
We'll go to the farm.
Yeah, it used to have a caution behind, and he used to do those mazagazaga. So he used
the
to
bicycle
run.
is called ng'ombe. How do you call it?
Mkulima.
Mkulima.
Yeah, Mkulima bicycle. Yes, if you know the Mkulima bicycle, and then the one that has two rods. That bicycle goes more than a motor.
You are the engine.
Yeah,
remember of that bicycle, you are the engine. Your body is the engine.
So
or rather your legs.
My dad used to be regarded as the crazy guy using the bicycle. So he used to go very fast with the bicycle. So I think I took his craziness.
Okay.
So around here, this is Narok. Narok seems to be clean. It's a clean town though.
Yep.
Despite that people speak ill about Maasai people, but me, I always tell you that I wish I could have bought a bicycle for Shian there. When I come back, I just try to buy a bicycle from Shian.
Even Maria.
Yeah, Maria, for now,
she now there's those small bicycles, baby bicycles.
Melo and Maria and Shian.
Melo doesn't like bikes nowadays. He just rides them.
They destroyed the other one, so that's why you see.
That's the one they'll use till
it gets spoiled completely.
Till it gets to. Now after that, actually, even have you seen even Manu nowadays is not excited about bicycles?
They are excited about the motorbikes.
Yeah.
But they use the same bicycle until when they get old, they buy them on their own.
Yeah. And guys, this is Narok town. Yeah.
So we are moving pole. This is a museum, Narok museum. If you want to see anything,
you want to see
anything about museums, about Narok, it's there.
Okay.
Yeah. And sometimes people say, "Oh, Maasai people."
And that is Narok poster.
Maasai people are dirty. Oh, those are not, man. Look at their town.
It's better than most towns.
Yeah. Better,
the only thing that makes it look dirty is the dust, because it's very dry here.
There's a Spain hotel here. We slept with BT around here. Yeah,
it was clean.
Very clean. Jonte!
John.
Looking for a space where we can park and eat. We want to just have something. Then we see
something. Yeah. Which car is this?
This is a Toyota, I don't know.
It's strange, eh? It's weird.
It's a strange car. It looks like a RAV4, but
it's
not. Looks like a Nini. I don't know what, but...
It looks like I don't know what.
Yeah. Hey, what car is this? What kind of a brand is this? Toyota what?
Toyota something.
Toyota something. That mall.
Oh, they're in here. Hey, that's what I was talking about.
Raptor.
Handlers. Yeye atakutatua. Biti anakona.
Oh my god. Ooh, la 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 la. There's a very nice breeze that comes from this side. The beautiful Probox car is around here. And of course we are here with Miss J-Lo. The sun is over here. You can be this way. Miss J-Lo.
Here we come, Miss J-Lo.
And Melo
Hey, you people, you are glowing. Let me give you a picture. Oh yeah. So guys, we are around here. We just stopped by to have just a drink or food, then we can proceed. Because now from here to Nyabuhanse, no stopping. Maybe we can stop.
We are stopping to pick somebody special along the way.
So we'll be proceeding and we see how stuff are moving on and on.
Yeah.
In a nutshell, this is it. The beautiful Narok. You know? How was the journey?
Well, smooth.
But I got message right. Yeah,
Really? Really? Yeah, but it's okay. I go with the moderate speed. Yeah. Hey, guys, we here. Kate, say hi. Arya.
Hi.
Arya. Yeah, man. We met with great people also, man. Hi.
We just met.
We just met around here. How is
We
you?
were just passing, guys.
You good?
I'm good. We
Where are you
here.
disappearing to?
We are escaping
We're escaping the village.
the village echoes.
The village echoes.
We're running from the village.
Absolutely. Introduce
with
yourself.
Yeah, guys, here it's Robbie David. We're at Narok. We just met, but we didn't have this commitment.
Absolutely,
We
man.
just in PP.
And they were like, let's stop and have even a drink. You know?
And
Yeah.
go with Jay, and you're like, the guy was thinking maybe he's a subscriber until when he made a call.
Yeah, guys, we are here also with Go with Jay himself. How are you, man?
Go with Jay once again here. We have glance away a little bit from the village. There is a lot to do, but
This boy is running from the village.
sometime we have to go.
How much is your car fuel, like full, yours?
For now,
Yes.
it's like 6,500.
Imagine mine takes 12,000 to be full.
And you finish it by going to Nairobi.
Just going to Nairobi one way. That car is a guzzler, but for moving, in case of the movement, that car moves. Inaenda na Prado, if it goes with Prado 100.
So when you are running like that, it's mostly use a lot of fuel.
A lot of fuel, yeah.
But I'm sure if you go slowly, you can balance it.
But that car is a
because-
guzzler.
Because also we're carrying a lot of people.
Yeah.
It must take a lot.
Yeah, to be honest. But yeah, introduce yourself,
You know,
bro.
my car actually cannot run like yours.
Yeah.
It cannot run like yours. You know why?
Why?
My car was a 4-wheel. They disconnected it.
Oh,
So
yeah,
now I
yeah.
go with 2-wheel.
They disconnected
But yours
the
was made
propeller,
for
yeah.
2-wheel.
Oh, yeah.
So now it have that flexibility to run.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah,
That's
guys.
why. So actually, mine is far better to go to Nairobi. I guess 6,000 can take me in Nairobi
Oh, nice,
for
man.
now.
Wow. That's why sometimes I'm feeling like one day I'll just buy a fielder. But the good thing with that one is it gives me a what we call like
You
the
carry
vibe for I can carry anything.
Yeah.
When I want to go to the farm, carry.
Or to
And
carry
you-
a lot of things, so
Yeah.
maybe go in a crazy place.
Absolutely, yeah. But yeah, guys. So this is Go with Jay. Yeah. Also, you can also pray for them. We're having journey masses heading to the city when we are just heading back in the village. You know, sometimes
Again,
your papa is rich, you buy you one. Maria just broke.
his grandfather is from United
He's
States.
from United States.
Really?
You know, the grandmother is from United States.
Okay.
So definitely, guys, we are here just for a drink, and then we see what's going on around.
Then everyone will go.
Yeah, the way
Continue with the journey.
with the journey.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So this is Robbie David.
Yeah, guys.
This is Go with Jay,
man.
and this is Claude Joseph. Show some love.
Support.
Peace and love.
Maria. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Guys, this is what you see. Having pizza. Miss JLo there. Guys, you know these things, sometimes we miss them. We eat them once in a while, once in a blue moon. When I grew up, I used to hear the word pizza, 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 pizza. But now I'm enjoying it freely around here. When I'm up, like now. When we grew up, things like this were not in the village. You would eat viazi vitamu or sweet potatoes. Very nice. Enjoy, 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 enjoy. Enjoy, 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 enjoy. So guys, this is Narok. In the night of healing.
What?
In the night of
What, mama?
Wanafikiria TV wanashoot na camera nani jaja na Miss Jade.
Simu tu.
I always shoot with my phone.
Eh?
My camera iliharibikanga.
Hata wewe pia.
Yeah, so
Unajua Oppo iko na kamera pani kipa.
not like Samsung. Samsung is the best.
Sawa. Samsung ndio na plan sasa. Kwa comment.
Samsung has the best one.
Yes, iPhone by the
Samsung has the best.
camera.
Yeah.
It's Rachel. Mario Miss Rachel. Sasa Miss Rachel. Kuna vitu technique hapo na ndio kwa ajili ya kuonyesha.
Yeah.
Kwanza hapo
So guys, yeah. We're moving now. Encarenarlo. Galitos. Let's proceed, guys. Let's see. In front of us, we get some of the hardwares. All will be well. Alright.
Guys, it seems like it wants to rain.
It's already raining.
Or it's ahead of us there's rain. So it's already raining. Hello, Mr. Driver.
Yeah, how are you guys?
I'm fine.
Concentration top mode.
Okay, let me not distract you. Yeah, so guys, let's head out. Of course, we are with Miss JLo.
Hi guys.
Yeah,
Welcome.
it's a long journey, right?
It's a long journey.
Yeah.
Welcome to CJ Claude's YouTube channel.
Okay.
Please consider to subscribe to his channel. Subscribe to Miss JLo. Subscribe to Menuhawi African Life. What?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a long journey, guys, from Nairobi. Now we are past Bomet. Is it?
Oh yeah.
We are
Yeah,
past
right.
Bomet, and now we are heading to Nyamuhaze village. It's a long journey.
It's a long journey.
Yeah. So we shall save journey.
Oh.
And see you there.
Yeah, so guys, it's going to rain ahead here. So let me stop this here so that we can concentrate. Yeah, guys,
We are in the mighty Kisi land.
we are in the mighty, the land of the fertility, the land of milk and honey.
Uongo.
Yes, the land of milk and honey.
Milk and honey is Nyabohansi.
Aria.
Nyabohansi, Kuria land. Kisi is about Matoke.
Like the Kisi is the land of milk and honey.
Never.
Guys, let the climate tell you. Look at the greenery. It's triple that of Nyabohansi. You know, even everything. Look at how healthy the goats are. Can you see? Look, guys, look at the goats. That car. You know, everything is very, 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 very fertile. The avocados give birth to 3, 4. One avocado, one leaf gets like 7 avocados. Cows
You see
are
how you are lying.
no,
Because
like
leaves don't bring.
whatever it is. The mothers of the avocados, they get pregnant with
One
the
thing I love
triple.
about this is this cypress. Unajua zile zetu za kuwa hivi sasa.
Utaka hivyo?
Yeah,
Okay.
like this. So we don't need of putting up fence inalingana yeah.
No, we have to fence. We can't wait for them to grow. We'll put something to facilitate their growth. Yeah, security.
So we are in Masegoy.
Hapa ndio tulikuja harusi. Guys, we are joining Keroka. Keri is just at the corner.
Nasikia sauti.
Hiyo kitu ya. Yeah, so
language means something that lights up.
That lights up.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's
something that lights up, like Keroka.
So we are in Keroka, a place that lights up. Yeah. Yeah.
It has been an amazing journey, guys.
I know.
But we are proceeding to the village.
And we know, guys, we've been let me turn this flip. I know you haven't seen the two of us like this, so it's been just focusing on, you know, it can be monotonous and boring at the same time when it's just going and you can't see the faces.
An amazing journey. Next, you see us in Mombasa with this.
Oh yeah.
With this 4x4 of ours.
Yeah, this one. It has proven time over that it can go even to the
past Mombasa,
even to Mozambique.
Yeah, yes. As long as you want fuel.
Yeah. You're good to go.
It's a 4x4.
Yeah.
It's passing even Prados.
It's really doing well.
Yeah.
So guys, let's go. We'll see in a bit. Okay.
0.5 inakuwa sawa.
Okay. Iko what? Iko 1. I have 0.5.
So you'll see how things are going on around.
Yeah.
Tunashika kama ndazi.
Ina record.
Yes,
so it's recording. Guys, look at that house. Yeah. No, I love about my people, they invest in homes.
But you might see it from outside that it's good. When you enter in, the room surprises you.
You had to be negative about my people.
I know.
Okay.
I know.
But I love my people, guys.
There's a house that was constructed in. You remember we wanted to put an Airbnb in Sirari. And when we were looking for houses, we found a very nice house, a story building, very nice. But when we entered it, the rooms are surprising. Even the kitchen, they have just done what you call like the old model of the kitchen.
The kitchen,
like they have compacted it with concrete. So you're like, there's even no space where you can put your fridge. There's nowhere you can put your burners, the jiko and everything, the gas. So everything is just concrete. I was like, oh my god.
I think I'm still invested in Airbnb. You still need to get even one Airbnb at the bottom.
Sometimes we just fancy
in future.
Guys,
that one
was crazy, man. The house was very good, but
but the kitchen, how it was done. Sometimes, you know, when you're not there, even because the guy, the owner of that house, they told us she's in the US.
Yes,
so when you delegate people to work for you, and she wanted an open kitchen like the ones in the US.
I'm telling you, when the owner will come, she'll be surprised.
Yeah.
Because she's in the US and she never wanted something like that. I'm 100%.
You're positive. Guys, you can see Keroka from this angle. Not sure if you can see it clearly.
See, there's a road that is going to be expanded here. So these people are told to take off your stuff.
Get out.
All this going to be out. This road should be expanded. Oh no.
Yeah.
All this. So Keroka, we are at the space called the Lita. Keroka.
Keri.
Keroka Kirarima.
Hey.
I used to love this shell because
it's my favorite too when I come. Okay, guys, also my home is just down here, not far away from here. 10 minutes and you'll be home.
Here's where we bring animals, guys. Here's where we bring dowry.
Yeah. Here's where they'll bring my cows.
Yes. Here's where we bring the dowry around here. So if you'll be having a lot of cars, you will fall in this shed.
Yeah.
So we will bring cows in this town.
Look at this.
And Miss Yellow, you will be there.
Yeah, guys, start preparing as soon as now.
Okay, guys, prepare for dowry.
Yeah, our dowry should be brought here.
Here.
It's a unique city, town. I mean.
Yeah, it has a lot of cash flow. For those who understand.
The only town that has a lot of umbrellas. A lot. You'll be able to see them.
When it rains, you'll see. Even when it doesn't, sometimes because of the sun. Yeah. Gani? Simuenda. Sinipige mimi acha tumeka. Guys, look. Luku. It's probably going to rain, so we need to. I don't like when it rains in this town. It becomes messy.
This road is very tiny. Very tiny. Very tiny road.
Expansion is to take place.
It's a very tiny road to be in town. Like, I wanted to buy this kind of trees, but I wanted to pick a home.
Oh, kuna nini smart hapo.
But ukienda mpesa sasa hivi. Kama actually issue. One of the man and see the what you call it, the umbrella.
Yeah, the umbrellas, guys. Those is to prevent the scorching sun or the heavy rains. And when it rains, they become triple. You can't even. It's like a house under the umbrellas. Like it's like you can walk under the umbrellas without being rained on. Yeah, so guys, we'll be stopping to get you a surprise guest. So guys, let me show you when you're branching to my home where you'll pass. This road here, this is where you'll pass. When you'll be taking dowry, please remember J-Lo. This is where you'll pass. Yes.
Highly noted.
Yes, and you'll go like that. Yeah. Because CJ will be very busy that day. So you guys.
I won't be coming there.
Yeah.
You have to organize very soon.
Yes, pay dowry. It's long overdue.
Growing big and mean.
I know. So Bella filling station. Okay, guys. See you in a bit. Yeah.
Oh, no.
It's like a funeral. This is on Friday.
Yeah.
So it's a funeral.
She's there. National Morning Day.
It's a national mourning day from this area, for this region. Guys, you see the trees.
This place has a lot of corners. I'm surprised how this guy is going to his home.
You see, he has created one. I don't know. Sorry? Nyankoba Tea Factory.
One thing I love about this, if you're not a good driver, the corners will disappoint you.
Totally.
There's a lot of corners.
Yeah.
Very nice weather. It's never rain. Plenty of food, plenty of water, plenty of funny people like myself. We are just there. Hey, sisi I got the West. Na sisi unajua kama walimu. Sisi watu na
Guys, we are at Rongo. This is Rongo town. Yeah.
These roads are not yet marked, so
that is the way to Homa Bay. Down. You are right.
Yeah.
look at this. Nikiatini barabara bro. Guys, home sweet home. Just arrived home. My beautiful great home. I give thanks to Almighty Jah for the blessings and for the skill of driving and for the skill of seeing and overtaking and speeding on the way of the best speed. We arrived home safely. I want to say thanks to everyone who has prayed for us, who has supported us, who has said, hey CJ, this is how you're supposed to do, or this is what you're supposed to do. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Subscribe if you're new, like, I'm very tired. Subscribe if you're new, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this. God bless you all, and bye bye guys for today. Bye.